What's going on, everybody? Checking in here. Today's a pretty special day in my heart. As you can see, you got the tag out here. It's actually going to get tuned today by Rcautoworks. If you guys haven't checked them out, there in Bridgeview. It's a little bit of a drive for me, but man, it's worth it. They haven't done anything yet, so I won't speak too prematurely, but everything I've talked to Bob about over Instant Messenger, because he stays up all crazy hours of the night, just like I do myself. Right on point with everything I was thinking. So yeah, I'm going to let him work his magic on here on this b18c JDM Type R motor that my teammates got for me. Big shout out to Hard Times Racing, you know, everybody else. So yeah, check back in on later. Check out some numbers.
Listen